This video is to show you how to submit assignments in Flipgrid. So if you go to your Google Classroom under the Classwork tab, and you scroll down to the section that says Flipgrid Assignments, this is where all of assignments that will be submitted through Flipgrid will be found. So the first one is the rock cycle model video, for just an example to show you how to upload or take a video. So if you click on this, this is the assignment instructions. If you go here, it'll take you to the assignment. You should already be signed in. If not, it will ask you to sign in, and you sign in with your school email. So in order to create a video on Flipgrid, there are a couple different ways you could do this. So you can click on record a response, and it will bring you to this page here where it's using your laptop's webcam for that. So either you can start filming a video using this screen right here, using your laptop, and you just click this and it will start. Or if you want to create a video using a different software, or take a video on your phone instead and then upload it, there's an option for that too. All you have to do is you have to click this options button right here, and you click upload clip. Then you can drag and drop a video there, you can search for one, but it does need to be in one of these formats here. So all you have to do is click and drag and it will upload it. Say I wanted to create the video, so it will give you a countdown. You'll start, hi, this is my rock cycle video. Once I'm done, click that. You click the stop button. Start. Hi, this is my rock. So this is where you can click edit. Yours will be longer. You can click edit adjust. When you're done with that, you click next. Put your name there. You can put the title, My Rock Cycle Model. That's up to you. You could take a selfie to put in here if you want. You can upload a photo, and then you're just going to hit submit and it will post it to Flipgrid for you. So that is how you upload or record a video in Flipgrid to complete Flipgrid assignments.